Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. I got part 2 of my SHEIN haul. These are 5 watches. I ordered 9 total watches, and I did 4 of them in the previous video, part 1. So this is part 2. I'm going to be going over the remaining 5. I'm not sure what they are. I don't remember what I ordered, and they're not marked. So other than this Liege watch, I don't really know what else is in this haul here. But anyhow, just a reminder, I am giving away a Rolex Submariner Homage watch by the company Olives. I will be giving away a brand new watch just like this one. At the end of the video, I will be posting what you need to do to enter the contest to win one of these watches for yourself. So stay tuned for that. But before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my subscribers. Say thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 275. So if you click that subscribe button right now, you can be my 275th subscriber. Thank you guys so much for believing in this content and watching these videos and liking and subscribing and showing all the love. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. My name is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. And without further ado, let's get into this SHEIN haul. And which one should I open first? I mean, I have no idea what any of these are, so anything, whatever. It is what it is, right? This box is a little bit crushed on this one. Okay. This is a day date format. It's supposed to look like a Rolex day date. It is by Bin Bond, which I have received a couple of Bin Bond watches that were halfway decent. This one, I'm not sure. Not really sure about it, guys. It is very, very cheap. Very, very flimsy. Just very low quality. But it does have that day date. Let's see, 24. Does have the day date format. Honestly, very flimsy. I'm gonna have to call this one a piece of junk. So, on to the next one. Oh boy, guys, why did I do this to myself? 2 in a row. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? These are almost identical. They're both junk. Isn't that nice? Just 2 junk Rolex day date imposters that just look horrible. I don't know why I ordered 2 of them, but I did. But that's what I do, guys. I order the junk so you guys don't have to. These looked beautiful. Believe it or not, guys, these looked beautiful online. They make these photos look like these watches are amazing. And then when you get them, they're just horrible. They're like something you'd get out of get out of a claw machine or something, or a kid's meal box. They're not good. So that leaves us with 3 more. Not doing so great on this part of the haul. I did pretty well on the first half of the haul, so you guys want to check over and see the first half of the haul. It actually was a lot better than what I'm seeing so far. Now, Liege is supposed to be on a different level. I've gotten a couple of Liege watches. This is a Liege right here. Very nice watch. Good quality construction. Nice watch, but I don't know. You never know what you're gonna get. Let's take a look here. Ah, okay, yeah. I was looking This was supposed to be like the, it's not a Pepsi, but black and red. It's supposed to be a Submariner style. Oh, I'm gonna have to say, this one's got some decent quality to it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we had a couple of junk watches, but now this one kind of redeemed this part of the haul. So what's it, 520 here? Yeah, guys, this is a good one here. I'll be posting a link to this one in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick this one up. And the price was very reasonable on this. It's got the milled clasp, solid bracelet, really nice watch. Good quality watch. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to give this one a go. Nice watch. Let's get this thing open here. You know, I appreciate the fact that they wrap these bracelets so well, but they're such a pain to get them open. I mean, the band's a little bit loose. It's not Olev's quality tight, but it's also not horrible. I'd have to say, like I said, I mean, it's a decent quality watch. I'll definitely be wearing this one. It's got the date just format. It's what, 24, 530, 22, whatever. Yeah, very nice watch, good quality. Definitely recommend this one. So that's a good one. That's a go. I will be resizing that and wearing it. So far out of 5, I've got 1 good and 2 bad, and 2 more to go. So hopefully we can make this a 3 good, 2 bad on this half of the haul. So let's get into this one here. This brand's pretty decent. I've gotten this one right here is this brand, Arlanc. So same brand here. Good quality watch on this one. So let's see what we've got. I don't know, this one could go either way, guys. Let's see. It's got some weight to it. It's usually a good sign. It's wrapped up pretty well. Okay, so it's basically the exact same watch, just in black. Really good quality watch, but exact same thing, it's just in black. So it's basically the black Submariner style. Black and gold. Sharp looking watch, but basically the exact same thing. So basically we've got a couple of Submariners here, and they're all great. So far the good ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of this haul. 7 and 8 are these 2 junky ones here. So those are the toys. Last one. Let's see what we've got here. Let's hope this is a good one, guys. I don't even have a clue what this one was supposed to be. Oh, okay. I think I remember this one. Alright, first impression on this one, I'm a little disappointed because it seemed like the blue on the screen, online it seemed like the blue inside matched the blue on the band, and as you can see, it clearly does not. It's a little more greenish gray as opposed to blue. And once again, it looks like they have put something together with a lot of fake dials in it. Once again, online, those dials, everything in there looked like it was real and moving, and there is not one moving part on that face. So that's kind of disappointing to me. It is a sharp looking watch, don't get me wrong, but guys, I can't bring myself to wear something that has this many fake moving parts in it. I mean, this is, you know, it's not even a date just. It doesn't have any other moving parts, so that face is basically just all for show. There isn't one moving part on it. So I'm pretty disappointed at this one, because this one did seem like it was going to be a really nice watch online, but once again, just it's what you get online, and that's why I do what I do, guys. I buy these junk watches so that I can sift through the ones that are good and the ones that are junk. So out of 9 watches, I've got 3 junk watches. These are the watches I will not wear. The rest of them, this is one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of my last haul was actually good. Oh no, I got 10. Wait, no. Something's wrong here. This one wasn't from the SHEIN haul. Okay, so I thought I only bought 9. So these are the 9 watches that I got. The one that I'm wearing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 2 of them, 3 of them are junk. Okay, and that's what we've got here with this SHEIN haul. So now I'm going to head on over to show you guys what you need to do to enter the contest if you want to win this Rolex Submariner Homage by Olevs. Very beautiful watch, so stay tuned right now. I will have more watch review videos coming at you in the future, so stay tuned. If you do like this content, once again, give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. My name is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So till next time, you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next watch review video. Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with a contest. One lucky subscriber is going to win this watch. Stay tuned to figure out what you need to do to enter the contest. What I'm giving away is a Rolex Submariner Homage watch made by the company Olevs. It is a very beautiful rendition of the Rolex Submariner. Very, very nice quality watch, and it will be shipped directly to one lucky subscriber. All you need to do to enter the contest is be a subscriber, so click that subscribe button right now, and then go into the comment section and post the words "nice watch" in all capital letters, NICEWATCH in all capital letters, and you will be entered to win this watch. All entries must be received by April 30th, 2024, and I must have 1,000 subscribers by then. 1,000 subscribers. If I do not have 1,000 subscribers, there will be no drawing for this watch. So make sure you share this video with as many people as you can, because if I can get up to 1,000, you've subscribed to the channel and you've posted the comment "nice watch" in all capital letters in the comment section, you will be eligible for the drawing to win this watch, shipped directly to you from Amazon Prime. Once again, subscribe, like the video, and post "nice watch" in all capital letters, and share this with as many people as you can to be eligible to win this watch. Until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and I'll see you in the next watch review video.